Part nung ano. Hey, good morning. This is our third day here in Sapporo, and before anything else, let's get our breakfast here. Okay guys, breakfast is here. Yeah, they have actually the same set of breakfast. And guess what? We're here again sa aming same place kahapon. Actually, doon kami sa other table sa likod ko. But we're still by the window. So nasa labas na tayo guys now, and we are heading to the tourist center doon sa Sapporo TV Tower. That is where we are going to be picked up for our Klook tour today. Part nung Klook tour natin today is yung Beer Museum and also yung Hell of the Buddha. And we are already here guys. That was about siguro mga 5 to 7 minute walk from our place dun sa Coco Hotel to here. And again, this is where we are going to be picked up nung ating tour van.
One picture?
Yeah. So, waiting na pala yung bus natin. Nandito na siya, and then yung kausap natin kanina doon is actually our tour guide. We're complete guys and about to go, and it's 9:55 a.m. now. 8:55, and the tour is about to start.
Because here in Japan, we have a law that the driver cannot use the bus over the 10 minutes, 10 hours. Everybody, and now I will introduce you about our today's schedule easily. Now we're going to our first stop today is Hokkaido Shrine.
This is our first stop. This is Hokkaido Shrine, and before entering this main building, you have to have some washing ceremony over there. Pinapahugasin yung kamay. Hey guys, this is our second stop and we are here at the Chocolate Factory. Tignan natin sa loob. Ang lamig dito sa loob. This feels like a happy place. Ang dami mga bata din. But actually this building is for the souvenirs. So we're here guys, sa second floor ng souvenir building. So we're outside again guys. Ito yung pinuntahan natin na building. Yan. Yan, that black building. And this area is actually free. But if you want to go to the other side, that one, may entrance fee. Daming flowers dun. So they have here an ice cream and coffee store right here. In black. We tried etong soft serve nila. Andun yung store niya. Sa tabi nung bus na yon. It's time for lunch and we were given 1 hour. So yung area to kung saan kami din nag-park is actually the ramen place. Tapos dito naman, where we're headed, dito naman tayo mga seafoods. So guys, in times like this, Konbini saves the day. Kasi hindi pa kami gutom actually, and we had like heavy breakfast. So ayaw din namin mag-ramen. Of course, hindi ako nakakain ng seafood. So let's get some drinks and sandwich just in case magutom tayo.
여기가 있을 만한 공간이
So nasa loob tayo guys na Beer Museum. And this is yung next stop natin after nung lunch natin dun sa market. We are now exiting, guys. Meron actually dong mga beers that they're selling. You could actually try them. Kaya lang kami, we don't want to. Pero dyan lang naman yan. And they also have the souvenir shop dito sa pinaka-lobby nila. For the meantime, hanapin na natin si aking van. Meron pa naman tayo actually 15 more minutes. We're here, guys, in the Hill of the Buddha. At actually, galing lang tayo dun sa loob. Para siyang may tunnel. And then at the end, you are gonna see the big Buddha statue over there. And now, we're going back out. At puntahan naman natin yung statues on the other side. This is supposed to be lavender fields. Hindi pa sila masyadong kita, pero may mga konti ng purplish on the tip. Ooh, they're pretty huge pag malapitan. Look at them. At ang dami nila. All the way there, and then all the way there. Tignan nyo, guys, up close yung material. Ang lalaki nila, di ba? It's so amazing. And they all stood the test of weather. Malamig at mainit. We are now here, guys, sa last stop ng tour natin, and we have the option to either go to the shrine over there or onsen for feet dito, pero meron din daw onsen for the whole body in the hotel. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sinabi ko. This way yung onsen, going to the onsen na pang paalang daw. So it's called Jozan-kei Onsen. And over there, andun daw yung shrine, like 5-minute walk. And then yung sa whole body na onsen in this building down na brown. I think it's a hotel. Nandito na tayo, guys, sa onsen. Ayan, para sa paa. As you can see, pwede ka umupo doon. And then, Soak your feet. So nasa masukal na po tayong bahagi ng park. Let's check yung nasa baba. We found another Seiko Mart. At bumili lang tayo ng something to drink at saka konting pang munch-munch. And now, let's try to visit yung shrine over here. Sabi nila, 5-minute walk. And sabi din nila, wala naman daw makikita. So mukhang totoo naman na wala masyado makikita dito. And it's closed. I think this is a community shrine. Ayun, doon tayo nang galing sa baba. And then over here is this structure, and that's it. Tambay tayo ngayon guys because actually this last part nung tour is 1.5 hours. Yung pwede ma-visit is 1, 2, 3, 4. Panglima pala yung yung full body na na onsen. So you have here 1.5 hours, and kami wala na kami magawa kasi we visited the shrine. Tinignan din namin yung onsen for the feet, and yun na, maghihintay pa tayo ng more than 30 minutes. While waiting, let's have bottled coffee. May kasi dito, yung Seiko Mart, yung kaninang pinakita ko. Kaya lang, walang upuan doon. So, dito tayo tumambay sa katapat niya. Pakita ko kung nasan siya. Yan, we're sitting here. Ayun yung natakpan ng truck. Yung Seiko Mart, yan. Pero parang pang lang siya. Quick stopover. Kaya wala silang tables and chairs. So nakabalik na kami lahat guys dito sa van, and we are about to going back din sa ating pickup point din sa Sapporo TV Tower. We're back guys, nandito na ulit tayo sa TV Tower ng Sapporo. And syempre at this hour, paggabi na. It's actually almost 6 PM and bukas na ulit yung kanilang mga sabroso for the beer and barbecue. So this place pala is called Garden Sapporo Beer Lounge. Yeah, madaming mga nagsasamgyupsal and also beers. So we're here guys sa observation deck. This is the 3rd floor ng TV Tower, and meron din ditong souvenir shop. It's 6 PM now guys. Look at outside. Maaraw pa rin. We are back in the subway na, and binisita lang natin quickly yung nasa 3rd floor nung TV Tower, and nandun din yung nila, yung souvenir shop. And now we are in the subway station. Maybe we'll just gonna look for our dinner kasi it's past 6 PM na din naman. And so we could have an early rest today. nandito kami sa malaking supermarket guys. Tawag sa kanya Daichi. At nakita lang namin siya while walking dito sa subway. And then, we're just going to check kung meron tayong mga mabibili here. At bigla tayo nasa colorful world guys. Lumabas kami dito sa exit na to ng Kokono Suzuki. And from the grocery store dun sa ilalim, we're now here. Look at here. Looks like mas madami tong ilaw kapag kagabi na. Dumating na guys yung pagkain namin. Andito na yung beef at saka yung fish. This is actually parang maliit na restaurant dito sa Subway. And it's called Sukiya. Tara, kainan na.